Hi, welcome to your own YouTube channel, The Autoverse. In this video, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Citroen GS, a car that promises to push the boundaries of design, comfort, and performance. The exterior design of the 2025 GS reflects Citroen's forward-thinking design language. With its smooth aerodynamic curves, the GS features a low, wide stance that not only looks modern but also improves stability at high speeds. The sleek lines are complemented by bold front headlights, a wide grille, and an aggressive stance. The rear end continues this futuristic design, with LED taillights that give the car a striking presence on the road. The overall look is refined, aggressive, and unmistakably Citroen. Under the hood, the GS offers a range of powertrains. The base model features a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 180 horsepower, while the top-tier version boasts a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that cranks out 250 horsepower, providing a more spirited driving experience. Both engines are paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering power to the front wheels or all-wheel drive for added versatility. Inside, the Citroen GS is a luxurious environment, offering a spacious and high-tech cabin designed for both comfort and style. The interior features premium materials like soft-touch leather upholstery, real wood accents, and customizable ambient lighting. The driver is treated to a digital cockpit with a 12-inch instrument cluster that displays all vital information clearly, while a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen dominates the center console, providing access to navigation, music, and a range of connected services. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also standard, allowing for seamless integration with your smartphone. When it comes to safety, the Citroen GS is equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Citroen has also introduced a new semi-autonomous driving feature, which enhances the driving experience by offering hands-free capabilities on highways. In terms of comfort, the 2025 Citroen GS is engineered for a smooth ride. Its suspension system has been specially tuned to absorb road imperfections, making it an ideal choice for long drives and city commuting alike. With a choice of eco-friendly hybrid options, the GS also aims to minimize fuel consumption while maintaining impressive power and performance. If you're excited about all things automotive, don't forget to subscribe to the Autoverse. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.